This is our TMS machine. So this is bravado. The couch itself is really comfortable. It looks really similar to our other one. It just doesn't have the thing. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today it is January 8th, Thursday, hence why I'm in office today. Like many of you had seen in my last video, I will be working remotely at my new job, but I'm just finishing out my last few months at my current job, so that's why I'm still in person. But we've made quite a few renovations to the home and we're still looking to renovate some more. So yeah, we were looking at couches yesterday, as you saw, and we really like the Newport couch from Living Spaces, so we may do that. And then additionally, we're still weighing out if we want to do the couch or if we want to do a king size bed. So the difference in the couch is that it does have a chase versus our couch is just one piece. So we wanted to upgrade that and then move the couch that we have now to a loft, and that's where we host like game night. And then I think what we'll also do is we may get a couch, we may get a bed, I don't know. We might go mattress shopping on Saturday and weigh out our options if we like the mattress or if we want to just upgrade the couch first. So yeah, I'm gonna do some charting and then I will talk to you guys later.
Running does to my brain. It makes me feel so good and so, what perfect time, new year, to start a new running plan.
It's a little bit later now. I'm the only one in this office right now. I still have some online patients that I need to attend to before I go home, but let's give you a short tour of the facility since there's no patients here. Let me just turn up this, there we go. This is our TMS machine that they use to do the TMS mapping. It's back there. And then I'll talk more about TMS later on, but they have this really nice big TV here also. This is one of our Spravato rooms. It looks like it's like a therapy room, but I wish that this room had windows, but this is like their call button. They need help, blankets. A lot of the Spravato rooms also have like coloring books and stuff. But yeah, so we have the TMS, what you saw of them. This is one of the Spravato rooms. I'm only in office Thursdays, at least at this practice. It's actually the only practice that I am in office. I typically see either in-person patients or I will supervise the Spravato and TMS patients here. If you don't know, Spravato and TMS are interventional services. For example, patients who have trialed other medications for depression before, TMS could be a good option. I've also seen good results with TMS with anxiety patients as well, specifically with OCD. There's a certain protocol specifically for OCD. And then additionally, Spravato is good for patients who are also treatment-resistant depression, although it's still considered a medication. So with TMS, it is transcranial magnetic stimulation. So like you saw in the room next door, is they map that part of your brain that is understimulated when you are exhibiting symptoms of depression. The good thing with TMS is the fact that it's not medication. It's not something that you ingest. So oftentimes you don't have symptoms that you would have internally, like nausea. Back. Some patients do have some headaches or some superficial soreness at the site where they're like tapping. But Spravato is different in the sense that it is still a medication, but it is not given orally, it's given nasally. And I'll show you the box. Let's truck back to my office. So this is Spravato. It's also known as esketamine. I know I've talked about this before also, but this is just our training Spravato kit. It says trainer on there. So what you do is, let me just reset it. Really like an inhaler, but you inhale it like that. I'm not gonna put it in this, but you just push it up like that and then administer it nasally. Really, really easy. With Spravato, it does work differently. It's still attempting to open up those neural pathways that are maybe underactive with symptoms of depression. I have noticed, at least in my patients, that for some reason it can sometimes provoke symptoms of anxiety, but because it is somewhat sedating in some sense, Spravato is not recommended for you to take things like benzodiazepines the same day of. Benzodiazepines are things like Xanax. Xanax can be, of course, sedating because it's used for anxiety symptoms, but because esketamine can be sedating, but it's still in the family of ketamine, so it's just a derivative. With that, we do not allow you to drive. Similarly to if you were, for example, to get a conscious sedation done, you still would not be able to drive, because if you do drive, you will get a DUI. Just a little breakdown of some interventional psychiatry. Such good experience being here. Same type of work, just a different practice. But this practice has given me a lot of good tools in my tool bag that I've learned. And hopefully I'll carry that over to my new practice. Can I help you? These are the things that they have like on the inside the hospital beds that they're trialing. Oh, these are cheap. The king is only $4.79. Oh my god, it's so stiff. Back for the mattress. We'll see how this one is. Come from this. Say hi. Good morning, everyone. It's 6 in the morning. I'm at my third job of the week. I'm at my RN job. I know I talked about this before in the past about how I'm unsure if I'm gonna keep this job. Every time I wake up really early for this job, I'm like, why am I keeping this job? Think about it, and when I had first started working as a nurse, I remember dreaming of working at this company and dreaming of working off from the inpatient setting. So at that point in my life, like, this was like a dream job for me. But now that I've furthered my career, now working remotely, I'm working as an NP, it just doesn't align anymore with my goals. So I really have to think about the work-life balance of working more than 40 hours a week. So I think I'm gonna have to do some more reflection of it. But I finally realized like that's the reason why it's so hard for me to let go of this job. But I'm gonna go into work. I will see you later. Happy Sunday, everyone. We are on our way to pick up a Facebook Marketplace find. Pick up the bed frame. It's a soft frame that I was eyeing. I think it's from Soft Frame Designs, but it comes with the soft frame and then the headboard. So online it said it was like $1,065, I think, but we're buying it for $400. He said he like prefers Venmo. We're gonna go to church after. So happy Sunday. We'll see you guys probably when we pick up the bed frame. We got our bed frame. It came with the what is it called?
The frame.
The box spring also, which is really cheap because we just bought ours for like $80, so it saved us $80. We're just gonna return the other one from Amazon then. Really nice house. Did you go in there?
Yeah, I was like,
oh, it's nice in here. Yeah.
Wow. So this is like
Dude, we went to this. So lots of things in the mail. We got some stuff also for the bathroom upstairs in the guest room. So I'm gonna stop having people use my bathroom that I use when I'm working. So this is the bath mat. And then You Look Good for the mirror. I don't know what that is, but this is for the toilet paper holder thing. It must be the same factory as the one from IKEA because it looks exactly like the one from IKEA. This thing is like so much smaller than I thought it would be, but I think I'm gonna put this in and then some toilet paper. Oh my gosh, it's so little! It looks so little. Like much smaller than I had anticipated, but it's fine. Okay, so put that there. This looks so little and sad, but oh well. And then I'm gonna place this over here. Hopefully that looks fine. Cute. So I bought this so that we can open up. Oops. So like open up the door here. But we just deflated that here because that used to be in the guest room, but we're gonna move it. Goodbye, old frame that we've had for the past 3 years. You're gonna go upstairs. Are you sad? You said, where's my bed? We moved our bed here. Now this is the guest bedroom. I think it looks good. All right, opening our first ever king mattress. How do you like the new bed? You like it, Olive?